Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the save settings, and here you can enable save location. So first you will have to grant access to location info, and now you can switch this feature as you want. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.